Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to show you the liquid text effect now on Filmora 8, not with the Filmora 9. We can also do with Filmora 8. So now to do that we need to do 3 steps. There, first you need a texted which text you need the liquid effect of, that's a pic of that, and again you need the waves or the liquid effects colors which you have to take, that is also in the image format. And next we have to club them and make a liquid effect. I will show that now, so let's go. Here is the first step. The first take is black screen from simple colors. Yeah, here you can find sample colors. Take this and take a text effects one, place it and drag it over here. Make sure that screen should be black or any other single color. Delete all of them and add the text which you need, and typing the text here which I need effect, liquid effect. This is our channel name, Harry, and I choose the font as a 125 and placed it center. Yeah, and changing color to white, text color to white, and clicking on OK. Yeah, now take a screenshot here. Yeah, this here, then you can find the screenshot here, right here, this one, and simply delete them now on the timeline. And next, here is the first step completed. We had the text which we need a liquid effect, and now the second step is making the waves which we need the wave, the liquid effects. Again take a black screen and again the colors of wave effects. I takes the white one and placing on second layer on the terminals, and the red. I takes 2 wave formats. Waves should be displayed. So let's wait. See. This I am placing at the middle of the screen like this. The second one, yeah, like this. So now let's take a blue one. I think blue will be nice. Now this blue and the dark blue. Yes, here it is, and place this here like this and make a screenshot this. Oh wait, let me correct this. Let me check. Yes, and take a screenshot. Yes, here you can see. So again simply delete them and again place a sample black color here just for secure. Again we know we can't add if we need, so before that I add this and place the wave format here and place the text over here on the second layer. Yeah, now double tap and go to advanced settings, go to effects and make it chroma. Select this chroma key, select this as a chroma key. Okay, and then you need to select this one. Yes, we have done that. Yeah, and this, if we move this, we can see like this. Okay, now select this and go for filters and search for water just simple water. Okay, yeah, see how the waves are formed. Okay, then yeah, now if you place the text here, let's wait. Oh sorry, I didn't place that over here. Yes. Yep. Now it's okay. Let's see this. Yes, here is the wave effect. In this simple way you can do this, or drag this image simply here. Here you can see the text with the empty one, and now the wave effects comes. Yeah, this is what we can do. We can do the text raises, the waves raises from down to up in this app. The only thing we can do is like this. Yeah, here is the video, guys. Thanks for enjoying. Thank you.